Do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder if you're looking back at me for another eternity. I don't know what to do without you. I'm being torn in two. Do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder if you're looking back at me. Will you be here for another eternity? I don't know why I still try. I don't wanna sing you another lovesick lullaby. I don't wanna do this again. I don't wanna be stuck with these thoughts in my head that say, oh, this is the end. Oh, do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder if you're looking back at me. Will you be here for another eternity? Love, you got me down. Love, you got me down.
Go catch a train to somewhere. Believe me, sometime to watch you go. Sailing, go catch the wind and land there. Believe me, some space to help you go. The melting houses hold a heart. Leaving will never mean you're far apart. Release the hounds inside your mind. They'll lead you to the place you belong to. Help me align the stars to fade away to see. Light all the candles, let the scents evaporate away. Under the sky, there's nothing I can do. Follow all the broken signs heading to baby. Don't let the to find the place you truly belong to. Tell me a name to call aloud when I arrive. My heavy eyes are closed. I have been living in a dream. Is there a place where I will want to be? So awake to be alive. The sky is my view tonight. Align the stars to pave a way to see. Light all the candles. Let the scents evaporate away under the sky. There's nothing I can do. Follow all the broken signs heading to catch the wind and land there. Leave me some space to help you go. The melting houses hold a heart. Leaving will never mean you're far apart. Release the house inside your mind. They'll lead you to the place you belong to. Help me align the stars to fade away to see. Light all the candles. Let the senses